Welcome to a quick shorts video reviewing our portfolio with Wealthsimple Trade. This is our non-registered account, personal account, currently having $186,882 in total investments. The portfolio is down in the last trading day by close to 1.4% or about $2,500. If you look at the portfolio return in the past week, it was also up by just shy of 1%. Over the long period of time, in the past 1 month, this portfolio is down by about 0.8%. The past 3 months, it's up by 1.7%. And in the past 1 year, it's up by just shy of 0.5%. All-time return for this portfolio is showing to be up by 2.7%. This portfolio was open around early to mid 2019. In terms of our overall holdings, and you see we only have about actually 7 specific funds in this portfolio. Most of them are the index funds, with 2 of them being actually stocks. There are slight negative returns as well for VDY, which is in fact our largest holding here. VDY is showing to be $86,000 in total value for us. In terms of our overall holdings, you notice the VDY is indeed the Vanguard 𝗖𝐋𝐈 Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF. It does have a very nice dividend yield of 4.35%, and the dividends are paid on a monthly basis. We've been buying our shares of VDY aggressively. Currently, we have 2,063 shares. We have some fractional shares that bring it a little bit higher. Our next big holding is VFV. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 index ETF. It allows us to get exposure to the US 500 largest US companies in the Standards & Poor's. We have close to 550 shares here, or about $51,000, up by just shy of 1% or about $368. Our next big holding here, then following closely, is XEF, which actually allows us to invest through the BlackRock Canada iShares Core MSCI East and Far East Index ETF. It does pay a dividend yield of 2.85%. The dividends are paid on a biannual basis. We do have 631 shares, or up by close to 3.7%. Our next big holding then is Vanguard 𝗖𝐋𝐈𝖖 Emerging Markets All Cap Index ETF, allowing us to get exposure to the emerging markets. It also does pay a nice dividend of 3.21%, and the dividends are paid on a quarterly basis. For V, we are also up by close to just 4%. As for Verizon, we have 27 shares. It's down by 10%. We do have some shares of 𝗖𝐋𝐈𝖖, close to 200 shares there. 𝗖𝐋𝐈𝖖 is an index ETF that allows investors to get exposure to pretty much the entire Canadian stock market. It's BlackRock iShares Core S&P Toronto Stock Exchange Capped Composite. It does pay a dividend on a quarterly basis. The annual yield for that currently is at just over 3%. There you have it, folks. Then the quick look into our portfolio, consisting of 7 holdings, coming to a total of $186,882. We are planning to continue to fund this account, as we've already maxed out our tax-free savings account. Whenever any additional funds are available, we want to continue to add to this portfolio and aggressively buy more shares of these quality companies that we have here. The ones that we are not adding to anymore is Real Mattress and Verizon. At this stage, we are just holding them until hopefully they recover from their positions. We are aggressively instead investing in VFV, 𝗖𝐋𝐈𝖖, VDY, V, and XEF. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it beneficial. If you did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our channel here on Momentum Finance for more investing and financial independence related videos.